This is Tim Bridges at Lloyd Bridges Traveland in Chelsea, Michigan. Today we're going to go over Rockwood Geo Pro 19FBS. Does come with the outside camp grill, outside table. Use it for prepping, cooking, whatever you'd like to do with that. You do also get the full power awning with LED lights built in the awning for you. Does also come with the aluminum wheels. We did order this unit with the off-road package, so you do get the upgraded tires. Does also give you your own keypad, so you could lock your door with the keypad if you wanted to, or use your main master key to lock it also. Unit does also come with a friction hinge door, so you get that windy day, it's not going to blow against the sidewall of your coach and ruin the sidewall. Also, you get a big grab handle. You get the solid type steps that fold right up inside the doorway. They lock in place for travel, and you can bring them right back down when you want to use the camper. Pass-through storage compartments. They go all the way through with laminated floors, magnetic compartment doors, tinted windows, and they are frameless. So they do crank out from the bottom and the water runs off right to the ground. Does also have a ladder on the back. It is prepped for a backup camera, so if you did want to install one, you could. They do LED tail lights also. Does also come with a 100-watt solar panel and a kayak rack. So you could use this camper off the grid if you wanted to, right off the two 6-volt batteries the coach comes with. Does come with an outside shower with a spray nozzle that pulls out and hot and cold valves going to that. Does come with the LED lights across the top and at the bottom. You do get the new windshield they added this year also, a power front jack, 2 propane tanks, and 2 6-volt batteries. As we step inside this unit, you can see it's a super light interior. They do a slide out with a couch that does make into a bed. You do get storage above the couch. It does come with a queen size bed. You also get all the extra lighting with 3 windows around your bed. Does come with a 13.5 AC. That would be plenty enough to cool this size unit off. Then they do their heat ducts in the sidewall. They're not drilling any holes in your floor to weaken that floor, and you're going to get the best possible airflow you can off your furnace. Does come with a 6 cubic foot fridge and freezer on the top. Your stainless steel sink. Real nice big oven. You can actually make food in this. Some of them, they're so small you can't even make a pizza in them. You get the recessed glass top, 3 burner stove with self-ignite. Does come with the 12-volt television, 22-inch with built-in DVD player. Does have inside-outside speakers and a radio with Bluetooth. And it does give you a hanging clothes pantry. You get your shower. They do provide you with a max air fan in the bathroom, nice sink with storage for your cabinetry stuff. You can also walk through this whole unit with the slide out in. You can access the couch, the bed, the bathroom, and use the kitchen. As you can see, you get a quality, real nice unit in Rockwood. If you're looking to get a great deal on a Rockwood Geo Pro, we have every single floor plan in stock, including this 19 FBS. Come see me, Tim Bridges, at Lloyd Bridges Traveland.